Hi friends, very good morning. Today we are going to discuss about microscope. What is microscope? Microscope is a tool in which we can see any kind of organisms, any kind of plant structures, any kind of things which we can see in a microscopic level. What is microscopic level? Microscopic level is a thing. The range of particles will be in the form of nanometers or micrometers, can be seen through a tool that is called as microscope. So in this microscope, there are several kind of microscopes are there. Optical microscope, electron beam microscope, and concave lenses will be there, convex lenses will be there to provide the huge magnification. Like we can see scanning electron microscope is there, scanning tunneling microscope is there, and optical microscope is there, compound microscope is there. Out of all these things are very costly. But at present, today in this section, we are going to see a small product which is known as foldscope. The foldscope is a technique which has been fabricated by Manu Prakash. In this present session, we will see what is foldscope, what are the benefits of this foldscope, how we can see this foldscope for visualization of insects, plants, and other kind of things in a microscopic level. So this is the box which we are getting from the foldscope company. So we can open this box and we can see what are the things are there. If you open this box, you will see a very good thing, very good thing will come in such a manner. This is the Foldscope Deluxe box. This Foldscope Deluxe box consists of several kind of components to visualization of magnification of insects by a paper made microscope product. So let's see what are the things are there in this box. Once if we open this box, we will get this kind of booklet in which all the instructions are there to assembly of this paper based microscope. So once after completion of this assembly, the entire microscope will look in the form of this thing. So here, this is the center portion is you are seeing. This is the lens portion, lens assembly portion. This microscope of paper-based foldscope can be moved left, right, top, bottom. In every direction, it can move easily. So here, this in this portion, we can assembly the samples where we can see and we can check the magnification things. So apart from these things in this box, we will get some sample holder, this kind of tools box in which we can collect all the samples, and a small scissor will be there, and a tweezer will be there to hold the samples, to collect the samples of insects using this tweezer, and two droppers will be there, droppers for taking the water kind of samples. Use these droppers will be utilized. And one main important thing is magnification tool to zoom the images. And a tape will be there for attaching these samples to the slide. And some well-known samples holders like substrates will be there, and two this kind of test tubes also will be there with us. One sieving material of this sieve will be there to sieve the unwaste samples from the collected water samples. And a book for writing the documentation. A book will be there of Foldscope naming company. And a pencil will be there to write all the kind of drawings. So let's see what kind of data we can collect from today's Foldscope instrument. So in this session, I am going to show some beautiful things of which can be seen by using this Foldscope. The first experiment we can see by using this Foldscope is seeing of housefly wings, in which housefly wings will be look like in a Foldscope by using this Foldscope technique. So I am keeping this glass slide into this paper-based Foldscope one. So once we are keeping as such the glass slide, we can arrange the Foldscope into correct fashion to the particular lens position. Then we can keep like this and we can see. Oh, such a beautiful wings are looking like. So I can show you this thing for you also. So to see that one, we have to use this magnification tool. In this, there will be a light whiz coming. So using this light holder, using this magnification, you can also able to see this. So for that, we can use the mobile phone to see and capture the images. For that, we have to use the tape to connect this mobile phone to the Foldscope. For that, we have to use this kind of lens holder for the camera to attach the mobile phone to the paper-based Foldscope microscope. Using the scissors, you can cut it. Attach this thing in a perfect manner where the camera position is there in a clear view. So now I have attached in a very good manner with where the camera portion is there. That portion, this lens holder we have to attach. So once after attaching, using this Foldscope, we can attach in such a manner. So it looks like this such a manner. Now if you see, I am switching on this one, camera switching on. You can see here the things in a clear view. So this is the housefly wing where you can see in a magnification of by using this Foldscope product. Very good. You can see how it will be move also. So see how it is looking like. Very nice views. This is the housefly wing where we can see in a clearly all the structures, all the particles in which way it is coming. So let's see another example using the same product. So we can take camera also. We can take the snapshots. See The same thing we can see. Okay, now next example we can go ahead. So now the next example is we can see the human nails. Human nails. So in a similar manner, I made for the human nails this kind of things, sample holder. We can see what kind of things are there in this human nails, how that what kind of microbial bacteria is looking in this human nails. We can see that also. In a similar manner, we have to attach the foldscope to the microscope. Once after attaching, we have to keep this one into the lens portion, and we can see here. So these things are looking very kind of bacteria is there in this. See the bacteria which it is there on the kind of this thing. Full of bacteria. So that's why we have to clean every day the nails while during the eat we taking food. So we can take the same manner and snap also. Okay, friends. Today in this section we have learned about how and what kind of components are there in the Foldscope for Deluxe kit, and we have seen two kind of examples like housefly and nails. In the upcoming section, we can see some more new examples and how we can utilize this Foldscope for research-oriented usages, and for kids how they can enjoy using this microscope based paper based microscope for their enjoying enjoying interest. Thank you. Please like if you understand this video in a very good manner. Thanks.